So, you want to create an application. If this is your first time considering the development of an application, you might not know what to do next. Most likely, you want to create your project to make a profit, but what is the best way to do that? There is one secret that will make your product irreplaceable. Its value. That is why it is so important to build the right strategy for your project. So where do you start? Here are 10 steps to consider as you start down this path. 1. Start with an idea. What's your idea? Beyond the idea itself, consider the value your app will bring to users. What is unique that you can offer them? Who is your target audience and what business goals are you pursuing? 2. What type is your application? Will it be a single-page application? Are you creating a game, social network, news portal, music, or video app? Could it be a utility? What are the benefits for your clients? Create a competitive analysis. Once you have an idea, look for competitors. What makes you different from your competitors? 3. Consider monetization options. How will you make money on the app? There are several options. Let's look at a few. A free application that generates income by showing ads or promoting the services of other companies. A paid app is the most profitable option. An application with light and pro versions. Initially, users have limited access to functions, but after payment, they acquire access to full functionality. You can also create in-app purchases. These can be new levels of the game. 4. Now is the time to think about the technical implementation. You could develop the application yourself, contact freelancers, or hire a team of specialists. Each method has its own advantages and risks. The most comfortable option is cooperation with a team of specialists. The lion's share of the organizational aspects will be carried out by the project manager. Working with a company, you spend less time searching for specialists, completing contracts, and tracking schedules. Communication within such a team has already been established, and its members mostly work in the same time zone, which is rare for a team of self-employed freelancers. 5. Since we have already touched on implementation systems, we are again faced with a choice of developing a native or a cross-platform application. User behavior on Android and iOS is somewhat different, and this cannot be ignored. But if you want to create an MVP on a tight schedule and with a small budget, a cross-platform app might be the best solution. In this case, fewer people are involved in the team, which is reflected in the budget. 6. During the discussion with the company, state your budget. Keep in mind that in addition to creating the application, you will need funds for its promotion and related services. For example, placing a ready-made application on the App Store will cost you $99 per year. Placing an application on the Google Play Store costs $25. 7. Present your idea with low-fidelity wireframes. You can provide the team with any description, including sketches, diagrams, and/or examples. Based on this data, specialists will create high-quality layouts, taking into account all user cases and the characteristics of your audience. 8. Creation of layouts and prototypes. This stage is always negotiable. The opinions of the customer and the technical team are taken into account. But do not forget about the people for whom you are doing this, your users. Conduct user tests and research, introduce the MVP to potential users, and consider their opinions. Depending on the project, you can do this research yourself or have a team do it. If you want to get an objective opinion, interview at least 5 people from your audience. 9. Think over a promotion strategy. As many people as possible should know about your product. By creating a funnel, you will get more users, and more users mean more profit. 10. Test and develop the application. Work doesn't stop after launching the application. You can chat with users to find out how to improve the functionality. From statistics and feedback, you will learn how to achieve the best user experience. With time, users may need an iPad version of the app or new features. Even if you have an idea for extra functions to add to the application, make sure not to overload the user with an abundance of functions. Perhaps it would be more convenient to create a second application with data integration. In this case, the product interface will not be complicated, and you will be able to attract an additional audience and expand your portfolio of assets. Developing an application doesn't have to be intimidating. With a good technology partner, taking an application from concept to creation can be exciting. If you're looking for a good technology partner, visit swansoftwaresolutions.com for a free assessment.